I was at a job I kind of had a love-hate relationship with, and I was just like, I'm better than this, and I know exactly what I want to do in life, but for me to do that, I knew I need my high school diploma. I just did the research and I came across Excel Center and just put in the application, did what I need to do to get an orientation to be here. It was at some points I was just like, should I be doing this? Is it worth it? All that. But the teachers here, they make sure you know it's worth it, you worth it. This is home to me, this school. I tell anyone who's out there that don't have it and you want it, just jump right in and come here and get it. Because you have the resources here. They work with your schedule, wherever they might be. I'm thankful for the Excel Center because it provided me opportunities that I didn't think I would ever get.